Okay, if we're being real here, if it was my car, I'd probably run it. But it's my wife's car. She's got the little guy with her. We're probably going to throw new tires on this sooner than what I want.
Welcome to Cheapskate Garage.
Hey, and welcome to another episode of Cheapskate Garage. I had some really good episode for you today planned out, but as life happens, things change. So I just drove 20 minutes out of my way to rescue my wife who got a flat tire. So today's episode is going to be about plugging a tire. And it just so happens to be that I'm at my neighborhood local O'Reilly Auto Parts store. Hopefully one of the good parts guys there. And voila, we're back at home. So yeah, she caught a nail. And luckily, she knows not to go and drive very far. But right there is the nail. So I'm going to yard it out, put some air in the tire, put a patch in it. Let me show you the patch kit after I get this out. Shit, win one for the S10. It's holding it there all by itself. So we got the tubeless retire repair kit. We got easy to grip pistols. The repair probing rasp. Split eye insertion needle. 5 premium 4-inch long repair inserts. For tubeless radial and bias ply tires. Probably meant for this stuff right here. Well, the good news is I'm probably getting a $50 bonus here, so with that, we'll go down and get her some new tires with it. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I like to do is I like to get a paint pen or something that's going to leave a mark on the tire. Just make a big mark around it so I can't miss it. Just like that. Then I kind of start with a pair of side cutters. Get up under the nail. Oh my gosh. It was just a tiny little screw. I'll be dipped. That's all it takes. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's leaking. Well, we could just drive down the road like this. So let's go ahead and get out my kit. First thing you want to do is you want to start with the rasp. This is the rasp. It's got the ridges on it. You gotta work it in there. And you work it back and forth with a hill. Stop leaking. No, it couldn't be. But you want to work it. Oh, there it goes again. You gotta work it like all hell. Back and forth. In there. And you gotta clean it, I guess. Whew. Well, we made the hole bigger, that's for sure. And then these are your patches right here. They're kind of sticky and gooey. You'll see as I peel it away. Wow, it's smelly too. So you take that, you get that out, and is what you got to do now is, this is the hard part, you slip it through here, and it's sticky and it doesn't like going. So sometimes what you can do is you can get it started and pull it through with your other pair of pliers. You don't want to touch this too much, too. You want to keep it as sticky as possible. Come on. Maybe I gotta just flatten it out a little bit. I don't know. Well, you done leaking yet? Good night. Alright. You want to get it about center like that. And I do recommend the ergonomical grips. The ones with just the screwdriver handle, they're kind of a pain in the ass to use. So what you want to do is you want to go in there, twist, and pull out. And half of this will be staying in there and half of it will be out. And it doesn't like to go in there. Oh. And now it didn't like to come back out either. Maybe I gotta clean it a little better. These are Saipan tires, I think. That's why there's all those lines in them. Alright, let's try this again. Let's put it on the ground and shove it through with my body weight. I think I know why it said lawnmowers on it. Come on. This ain't the easiest thing in the world to do. I almost want to hit this thing with a hammer. Really doesn't want to go in there. That does. I'm actually surprised in this. Holy moly. Wonder if I've destroyed this one. I kind of think I have. We're going to get another one and we're going to cut it down a little bit. So what I'm doing here is I'm cutting off about 2/3 of the link. I'm going to start by flattening this side out a little bit. Just a little bit, so we can get it through our tool. There it started. And grab it. Persuade the rest of the way through. Alright. Maybe this one will go in. Whew. Maybe I need some air in the tire. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. I don't think I need it. I mean, I could cut it all off. It's not leaking right now. Let's see if that helps us. Oh, that made the difference. Okay, so you get it all the way in there. And then is what you want to do. You want to pull it back out and then cut off the loop part. I don't think I did it. I don't think that's going to cut it. Yeah. It almost did it. So let's try another one. Same thing as before, we'll flatten it out. Oh, I just pulled it all the way through. I was trying to do that. Alright, let's see if we can get this one in. We use a full one. Full size tire, full patch, right? Just wiggle it back and forth. Some people are really good at this. I'm not. There we go. Put it in there. Wiggle it back out. And then, so it's going to sit there just about like that. It's not going in and it's not going out. So I think this is going to be just fine. Put some more air in her. Real exciting stuff here at Cheapskate Garage. That feels like it's got enough to at least get us where we need to go. But that ain't coming out of there. And if you want, sometimes you can trim off the excess. If you want. But there you go. Craziest stuff on how to plug a tire. Well guys, if you thought this video was a little bit entertaining or anything at all like that, why don't you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, the like button, and then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You might not know what I might show you. So, we'll catch you next time. Well, I'm down here putting air in the tire. Can't find my tire pressure gauge, so I had to improvise. Check this out. Turn the power on the vehicle. Now it says the left front. Oh, she got 32 PSI. I'll be dipped. You see? Left front tire. Left front tire, it's at 32. So if you're one of the guys at O'Reilly's that know me, remind me I need a tire pressure gauge.